Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge. Box break number 2313 portfolio. I just did my cast starts. Fun times. Gave away a couple boxes, some other prizes. A good, uh, nice first prize at World Junior box was fun. Anyways, yeah, portfolio. Welcome back to Daniel and Saxy and Sabard and Kev. So I think that's it. Oh, and Sarah's in there. Sarah probably waking up soon. Daniel's got the Ninja. Daniel and Saxy with the 5+ Will Smiths. And that was it. Oh, Peter. Peter got his Nux. Alright, Daniel. I gotta pick you out a magnet here, buddy. Getting low. Slim pickings on the old magnets here. I'm gonna go with a... Go with a movie magnet for you this time. Funny movie. Blazing Saddles. Blazing Saddles for you. If you haven't seen it, watch it. It's pretty funny. Yeah, I thought that too, Matt, but it actually didn't sell. That's crazy, eh? If you like Premiere, I got a Premiere case up. Awesome stuff. I'm doing it several hundreds cheaper than the nearest dude, so have at her. If you're gonna buy Premiere, get her from me because you save triple. Pretty straight to the point there. Get it from me, you'll save. 11 for Daniel. 555. Lots of nice triples for you. 17. Of course, as soon as I say that, they'll probably all be singles, eh? 17. I got 2 there, huh? What's this? 6. Get some surprises here. 8. Back into the bag here. Halfway there. 9. 18. Wow. A lot of doubles. No singles yet. 11. Doesn't want to get you any 1. Looks like the bin's sold now, as we predicted. It was a little bit late. 12 and 13. So I'll post up something after I'm done this bin for you guys. Probably some new anthology, maybe. I don't know. I'm open to suggestions. You guys want to think of anything while we're breaking? Okay, that's Daniel's Ninja. Now we got Daniel's 5+ wheel spin. The Islanders, which are a hickey or a magnet. I don't have any hickeys, so you're going to have to get a second magnet. I'm so sorry. I know you don't mind. Let's go with... Oh. We're going to give you the Young Frankenstein this time. Really low on magnets. Sorry about that. And Saxy. I really should make hickey magnets, you know. So many plans and just not enough time. Saxy, you got a blank, so that's a good one. You can use that when you're down to just needing a number. You can use that to clear one of your top rows. They come in handy. So a blank dart, basically. Here we go. We're on 1s for this one, guys. Let's get her done. Sorry, regrets. Not really. And here we go. Had a nice little auction there. Ron was a big winner with the won a box of World Juniors. A nice Galchenyuk in the box before that. Pretty cool. And he won a Phil Esposito in the roll call bonus. So remember, our new bonus. If you're going to watch our auctions live, come in the chat. And you got a chance to win a prize if you're watching live. Alright. I know some of you guys can't do it, but it's a little bit extra for you guys who hang out every day. So that's a Robbie Fabry for Daniel. Wire photo. Wire photo. Matt Niskanen. Oh, it's a Ovechkin actually for the Capitals. Should know that. There's Daniel too. Kind of like this stuff. Nick Ritchie for Daniel. I've not pulled any kind of McDavid out of this stuff yet, so we'll see what happens. Like autograph or anything like that, I mean. Matthias Janmark for Saxy. Saxy had that sweet Anaheim patch in that anthology last night. Man, that thing is awesome. That'll be shipping out soon. Hey, Peter, Jake Bertanen. Awesome young kid there. He's got a bright future. So no bin request, guys. Wayne Gretzky for Daniel from the Kings. Sam Bennett for Kev. Kev on the board. No? Okay. I'll probably do an anthology. I love the new price for that stuff, and it's pretty cool. So, Oscar Lindbergh for Sarah on the board. Black and white. Nice. Panarin for Saxy. Awesome, good player there. Awesome, good player. I actually said that. There's a McDavid for Saxy. Nice. Any kind of McDavid is cool. Brian Leach wire photo for Sarah. All kinds of cool stuff filling if you want it. Some Champions, some Walking Dead. Hey, Colton Parayko for Daniel. Parayko, pretty good story there for somebody who was never drafted. Making a name for him. Whoa. Nice job. For Peter, Jake Bertanen autograph. Wire photo. This is actually my first wire photo auto I pulled. Yo, hit of the box. Going to Peter. Sadly, they're sticker autos, so they're kind of cheap on a wire photo, but whatever. Peter be happy with that. Brian likes it. Yeah, Brian loved his Jason Priestley card. Saxy, Tyler Seguin. Let's see if we can get a second auto or something in this one. Would be cool. Still need a mem card too. Oscar Lindbergh for Sarah. I had a lot of people with the one or two teams are getting all the hits. Yeah, Peter is a Nuck fan actually. That's his team, so it's going to. You won't be moving it out of his hands if that's what you're trying. Johnny Tays for Saxy. I pulled you the same one, I'm pretty sure, because I know I was going to make a fridge magnet of Priestley to bug you, and then I think I pulled it for you before I had a chance to make it. Nikolai Ehlers for Daniel. That's the only reason I remember. My shenanigans got interrupted. Mem card in this one. Dual materials. Profiles dual materials for Daniel. It's Corey Perry, 2-color. Daniel. Corey Perry played a good game tonight. The Americans got pretty well put out of the playoffs, or put out of the tournament by Team Canada tonight, if you didn't see it. Nikolai Ehlers again. Different one. And last pack. It's going to be Taylor Lyer for Daniel. So, Jake Bertan, the big hit in this box. Nice wire photo auto. Thanks a lot, guys, for your support. And we'll catch you all in the next break. A few minutes.